So welcome to this video. This video is all about the new Ulanzi cage that I've just bought, and I'm quite excited about this cage really. The previous cage that I got from Ulanzi was quite heavy. I think it weighed 160 grams on its own, and this new cage weighs 50 grams. So that makes a big difference when you're holding a camera, which obviously has got a weight of its own as well, plus mics and everything else. So in the box you get the cage itself, which I'll explore in a little bit more detail in a minute. You get a lens protector, and that clips over. Get the right way around. That clips over the cage itself. You get a hot shoe, or rather a cold shoe adapter, and that clips onto the top of the cage, and that's so that you can fit those big fluffy road mics that dangle in front of the lens, and it keeps the fluffy bit away from the lens. And you also get a filter adapter. This is a 52mm filter adapter, and that clips onto the front, and you can screw your filter onto that there. So that's what you get. So here's the Hero 8 camera, and it's got the side door removed, so it gives you access to the battery. The GoPro normally comes with a door, which this door, the door goes there, and that normally keeps it watertight. Obviously with the GoPro Hero 8 it's got these flip out feet which you can then attach to a selfie stick. Those need to be folded in. The door needs to be off. On the cage itself you push here where my thumb is, and then you slide that door off. It's got a side door too, and on the side there's a little catch. Flip the catch and this door, flip the catch and the door comes open like that. You can then wiggle the GoPro in, close the side door, so it's got this catch, push that, you never do it when you're on camera, there you go, and then you push that clip back to fit it in place, make sure it's seated in there, and then you slide this frame back on. So the GoPro is actually really well seated in there, and it's not going anywhere. And the great thing about this cage, doesn't add much to the bulk of it. You can have this filter adapter on. I probably will take it off for most of the time. I don't tend to use filters that much. The only thing I would say is it probably gives the lens a little bit protection in case you drop it. Maybe I'll leave it on, I don't know. But then if I'm carrying it around, I can always clip that on. So we'll see. I'll see how I get on with it. But that's the cage with the GoPro in it. Now on the side here, you notice this is the box, and that's where the mic adapter goes. So let's see if I can put the mic adapter in. What you do is you take the mic adapter and you put it in lead first this way, and you just slide it in. It's quite a snug fit. The lead comes out that side, and you twist it round and you plug it in the hole for the USB socket that they've left on this door. So that's the GoPro in its cage. Yeah, so what I normally use is I've got a GoPro Shorty selfie stick, and it's like a little tripod like that. Attached to the top of it is one of these Ulanzi magnetic mounts, so you can then just clip that on. It's like a quick release mount, so you can just turn it and pull it off. So that is going to attach to there. See if I can film me doing this. Always put it on the wrong way round. Got to make sure that the screw first of all goes in the right place. That's it. Took a little bit of screwing in because that screw is actually loose, and then you can attach that, and that is my normal sort of setup. I will put a microphone on that, but I'm using the microphone at the moment. Obviously the microphone goes in there. So you've got doors on the side, that gives you access to the mode button. Obviously the gap on the top for the shutter button. You've got the hole on the side for where the USB mic adapter goes. It's got a microphone slot, and you can't really see it. You can't see it with this filter on it, but there's a slot where the microphone, where the standard microphone goes. So if you weren't using the mic adapter, they've thought that, yeah, you still want access to the microphone slot there. But access to the front screen there. I mean, the thing about this compared to the media mod is that this is so much easier to use, and it does everything I want. The only thing the media mod does that this doesn't do is the HDMI out, but even GoPro have realised that people want to use the GoPro as a webcam, so they're providing webcam facility via Wi-Fi. Now it only works on Macs apparently at the moment, but hopefully they'll be doing that for PCs. So it just makes me wonder, you know, why people buy the media mod when you've got these things. This was £29. It's probably more expensive than some of Ulanzi's other kit, but it's so much better. I mean, if you've already got a mic adapter, perhaps you had one for a Hero 7 or 6 or 5, then, you know, buy this. Don't buy the media mod. So this is my normal setup, my normal vlogging setup. Got my microphone, and now I've got the new case. And the thing about this is it's really quite light. Probably ought to show the old case, but I mean, this is really good. It's a little bit longer because I've got the Ulanzi quick release, but I could just put that on there and make it even lighter. But what I was finding with the metal case, the other Ulanzi case, is it was just feeling a bit like it was going to go like that all the time. You know, it was going to go on one side to the other, so it felt a bit top heavy. But no, this works really well. Yeah, so I'm going to have a little play with this over the next few weeks, and I'll let you know on build quality and all that sort of thing, but it feels fairly sort of substantial and reasonably robust. I wouldn't say it's as strong as the metal case that I had, but it provides a fair degree of protection there for your GoPro. It's the most vulnerable part is obviously always the lens, so that's why I mean, this doesn't weigh much, so I might just leave this on. Only sort of drawback with it, if you can see, it gets a little bit in the way of the LED screen. Not that I ever use this LED screen, but there you go. Right, we've had this Ulanzi case. I've been using it for about a month now, and I'm really pleased with it. It's, as you can see, when it's on the Shorty stick, it's really easy to use. I've got the magnetic mount, so I can swap it off very quickly. I've been using, a little bit hard to get off, but I've been using the lens cover. So the lens cover's been great because I can stick it in my bag or my coat, and it's safe in there. It's lightweight. It's much better, much lighter than the metal case. Probably doesn't give you quite as much protection. But I mean, the one thing I do like is the ease of getting to the battery and the SD card. Just pull that out, push that clip forward, that clip there, and then you can open the door. The battery comes out, push your finger in, and then you can easily pull the SD card out. That is so much easier than the GoPro Media mod. And there'll be a link to that video up there why I sent my GoPro media mod back. And put it all back together again. You push the thing forward, press it, and it does like a little click, and then you can put your lead back in, and there you go, ready to go again. And that's what I've been using for most of my filming for the last, I think, about 6 weeks really. So yeah, that's the Ulanzi G8-9 case. Now at the time of filming, the Hero 9 had just come out, and I believe there is a case for the Hero 9. This is the Hero 8. I wasn't sure whether to finish this video off, but I thought I might as well, because I'm going to stick with the Hero 8. The reason for that is that the Hero 9 doesn't at the moment work with the mic adapter. They've had problems with the mic adapter, and they've taken out the facility to use the mic adapter, so that means that you can't use a Ulanzi case, or indeed any other sort of case that uses the mic adapter. Obviously you could use the media mod, but I've said before I'm not keen on the media mod, so I'm sticking with the Hero 8 for now, in case anyone's asking. Yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and I'll catch up with you in the next one. See you then. Wow, this rain. Hope you can hear me. I will double check this. But yeah, it's just been brilliant. I really do like the case. So if you've enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and I'll catch up with you on the next one.